Alright, hey guys, so this is a tutorial on how to use Teams. I know that my app may look different because students are using the web browser and I have the app, but it should all look the same. No matter what Teams you're using, if it's on your phone, the browser, or the app, there should be these buttons right here somewhere on your screen, and that's going to be your main navigation. So once you click Teams, all of your classes should pop up. At Furr, I'm almost positive that we are required to make classes. So I am just going to hop into one of my classes and show you what it looks like. Every day every class that I teach, I will start a new meeting and it will be labeled class and whatever day it is. So next time I label this class, it will say class 916. Okay, and you will join that meeting, and then all of our messages and replies are in here. If you know I answered a question, you can go back and find it in here. All of these things like that. Then if you go back over to your navigation bar, so that's basically your Teams. If you go back over to your navigation bar to the chat, this is how you can chat your teachers or your students. So I use this tool to send directions to my students, just like I did here, maybe here, wherever, and then they can always message me back. So if you go to new and you want to type into a new person, so say I'm going to type, I want to message Tay, so I would send that to him. And then he would be able to see that, right? You can also do this to your teachers. If you wanted to message Miss Taylor, you would just click her name, and then you'll also see that it says teacher by her name, not student, right? So that'll tell you like kind of what they are. If you want to message one of your friends, then it would have student and maybe their student ID number. The last thing that I want to show you is the calendar portion. So my calendar is going to look a little bit different than yours, but you should be able to get the gist of it. So once schedules are balanced out, teachers will start adding you to their calendar invites if they already haven't. So if you go to this calendar button, it should pop up and you should see that you have classes on your schedule maybe, and it will remind you. And you will get a reminder like 15 minutes before English 2 Pre-AP is about to start, right? So that is basically Teams. Those are the main three things that you need to know how to do is chat with your teacher, get into your Teams meetings where all of your classes should be, and then the calendar. Please let me know if you have any questions.